Detroit-based financial services platform Rocket Companies announcing this morning it will acquire personal finance startup Truebill for $1.275 billion in cash. It is the company's largest acquisition to date. Joining us with more is the company's CEO, Jay Farner. Jay, good to have you. What is Truebill, and why is it something that you want to own?
David, thanks for having me here. We're super excited about Truebill. It is one of the kind of next generation financial services membership apps, and they really help people with budgeting, with subscription management, with bill pay and bill savings. Over 2.5 million of their members have downloaded or connected their bank accounts to Truebill, so every day there's data coming in about deposits, withdrawals. And if you think about our business, the largest mortgage lender in the country, going to do $350 billion in mortgages this year alone, we're talking to millions of people a year. But those people who don't need a mortgage right now, how do we help them? How do we keep them engaged in our funnel? And so this allows us to complete this important component of our platform, and so we can lean in to continue to market in 2022 and continue to grow.
All right, so what is it that I, as a Truebill customer, what is the hope here? And what is it that I'm getting out of that platform that then perhaps will lead me to yours?
Yeah, absolutely. So Truebill doubled in size from 20 to 21. They're growing very, very quickly. Many of their users are Gen Z, millennials, people who are thinking about buying them. In fact, 70% of their clients don't have a home today. They're budgeting, they're planning. And so imagine you've got all of your data in Truebill, you're saving money each and every month, and now it's time to buy a home. Well, instead of going through a really long mortgage process, you can tie directly to Rocket Mortgage, which was also built to service millennials, Gen Z. People are looking for that push button, get mortgage experience, and your data transfers right over. You know that you're approved, and you're ready to buy your home, to buy a car, to get a personal loan, whatever you might need. So it's that connectivity, it's removing the friction, it's providing the data and the information so you can make great decisions. All of those things is how we envision tying these two companies together.
Jay, is it fair to read this as a reflection of where we're at in the housing market right now? Obviously, there's still very tight supply, inflation, and then, of course, as you look ahead to next year, the potential for rate increases. This a way to kind of diversify your portfolio a bit?
Well, this is a way for us to continue to grow market share. We've talked about the fact that we're going to go north of 10% in the mortgage market in 2022. Rates are still incredibly low. We're watching a 10-year that last I checked was below 1.4%. And so if we think about the $26 trillion of equity tied up right now today in homes and people wanting to save money, all of these things will allow us to strengthen our marketing, to grow our market share, to engage with our clients. And maybe today they don't get a mortgage, but we provide these other services that Truebill has. And all of a sudden, 6 months later, a year later, we're able to help that client with a car, with a mortgage. For us and our platform, it's about the lifetime value. So we want to keep growing our organization regardless of whether interest rates are going up or going down. And this is just one more strategic play allowing us to do so.